Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to change the orientation of your Microsoft Word document. So you can change the already existing document that you have created and typed, but you can also do it in your complete new document before you start typing anything. So I have already an existing document and I'm going to show you how to change the orientation of your Microsoft Word document. So go to Layout tab in the ribbon and there's an option called Orientation. So orientation means the kind of page that you'll get. So there are two options, Portrait and Landscape. So currently Portrait has been selected, but you can change it to Landscape and it will make it bigger. So as you can see, it makes it bigger, but you can also keep the Portrait, which is most frequently used form of the document orientation. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel.